I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody, today is March 20th, 2019, and we're going to be doing an unboxing from Newegg. And also an eBay seller that I ordered my hard drives from, Go Hard Drive. This is for two more Ryzen 3 2200G systems. So, we should have two hard drives, two motherboards, two Ryzen 3 APUs, two RAM kits, and one optical drive. Reason for one is because the other machine already has a SATA optical drive that I tested as working fine, so no need to replace it. Okay, so we're going to start out by unboxing the Go Hard Drive stuff. It's just two hard drives. I usually order from Go Hard Drive because they're typically cheaper, and I've been ordering the white label drives from them. And also, I've ordered brand name drives from them, and for the most part, they've been reliable. So, anyway, go ahead and pull out that invoice, get it out of the way. Okay, so they're inside this box. See what kind of white label drives they gave us this time. If they gave me the Seagates, I'm not exactly a fan of them, but they're okay. They're not as well performing as the Western Digital white label drives. And let's see. What we have here. Try to do this where you can see it. Bear with me. And it looks like we have more of the Seagate drives. You have noticed that the Seagate drives here, they're the equivalent, I think they're equivalent of a ST500D M001 or something like that. Yeah. Here's the second one. And just taking a quick look at the connectors on the back of the drive, because there was that one time where they sent me one that had a broken connector, which they were quick to resolve that. They sent me out another one, no problem. Western Digital, actually. Yeah, these are both Seagate drives. Okay, so that's the hard drives. Now on to the Newegg stuff. I guess we'll start out with the big box first. Why not? Yeah, this razor has seen its better days, I must say. This is what I used to cut carpet when installing carpet in this place back in 2016. That was pretty rough on it. And also I used it to cut the hole in the sheet metal that's in front of my fireplace where my wood stove is at. So that really did a number on it. So a pretty typical Newegg affair. You have some busted airbags. I do not care for these things. I'm more for like packing peanuts, stuffed paper, something like that. Not something that can just go, pop. Because once they pop, they're of no use. Okay, so this box has the optical drive, SATA DVD burner, the 2 RAM kits, and some people might have a fit because I'm putting single sticks into an APU system. Well, the reason why I do this is that way the client will have one more slot available for future upgrades, because they may say, oh, we want to put more RAM in the thing. Man, all these things they put in here. H&R Block tax software offer. HelloFresh, yep. Harry's. Oh, we get a free sample of Extreme Notes. Sticks in tough conditions. Well, that's nice, because I tell you, the regular ones weren't really worth a crap. And they just putting all sorts of goodies in here, and I'm sure the other box will probably have something too. And of course the 2 AMD Ryzen 3 2200Gs in their mammoth sized coolers. Okay, so that's it for that box. Now on to the smaller box. Smaller box, I believe, has the motherboards. Now I should mention that this time around, the motherboards are a little bit different. Same model, this new revision. And one thing's for certain is they fixed a huge issue that I complained about previously, which we'll focus on that in the actual build video. So, ASRock A320M HGV Release 4, or Revision 4. To my surprise, this box did not have all of those offers. I think it was one time where each box that I had gotten from an order, it's like they just tossed in the typical sample of stuff. Like the Harry's, the HelloFresh, and all that stuff. Alrighty, so, and of course no packing slip. Newegg quit doing that sometime back for some reason, probably to conserve paper or whatnot. Okay. The motherboards, APUs, the memory kits, the one SATA optical drive to replace an old ID optical drive, and the hard drives. So anyways, that concludes this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeCompMTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.